Hi guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. So wow, do I have an unboxing for you guys today. This is the Vivo XI Plus, one of the newer phones that just came out. This is by Blu. So not many people know this, but a lot of people actually think that Blu is a sucky phone, but I'm excited about this phone. I just got it. I got it for about $330 plus taxes. So yeah, I'll have a description. I'll have it in the description below for you guys to pick one up if you decide to pick one up. But I am excited for this, guys. You know me, I will be doing a lot of reviews. But let's first go ahead and take a look at the box and we'll get into it. So as you can see, Vivo XI Plus. Look at the artwork right here on the box, guys. Just check this out. It looks like something from like Rome or something. It's just beautiful. There's like, what is that? Like a donkey or a cow or something back there. Looks like a cow, and then an angel. It just, I mean, Blu's going crazy with this thing. But nice wrapped up. As you can see, Blu right here. Bold like us. Nice. The bottom is big B, and then Vivo right there. So there we go. You can see nice picture wraps around. So I always like doing this detailed kind of unboxing for you guys. In the back, let's see some of the specs. As you can see, there's a full picture right there. BlueProducts.com, but it is Vivo XI Plus, 6.2-inch Full HD all-screen design, MediaTek Helio P60 2.0 gigahertz octa-core processor, 128 gigabytes. Wow, almost, I was like, wait, what? I had to double check myself, but yeah, 128 gigabytes, 6 gigs of RAM, dual 16 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel camera, 16 megapixel selfie camera, wireless charging, 3D true depth face ID, advanced security fingerprint sensor, micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes, 4G LTE Cat 7 high-speed data up to 300 megabits per second, Android 8.1 Oreo. Wow, wow, wow. All those specs, guys, sounds like flagship specs to me, but let's get into it and see what we get inside. So let's go ahead and get my handy-dandy kitchen knife, as always, and let's pop this baby open. Man, I'm excited. I don't want to ruin any of the box or artwork just because it looks so nice. So I don't want to damage it, just in case I do decide to keep this phone, which, wow, which most likely I will. It's just such a beautiful box. I'll probably have it on my display for you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop it open. It should be ready to be, whoop, yep, should be ready to be popped open. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's pretty cool. Check that out. Bold like us. Very, very nice. So I'm going to keep the box here on the side so it doesn't interfere with the autofocus or anything like that. So there's the phone itself. I'm excited for it, but we'll get more into that. There's like your little product sticker and all that stuff. Barcodes. Huh. You get this little plastic kind of sleeve where it goes on there. Pretty cool. Wow, Jesus, is that like, what is it, like a braided, it looks like one of these aftermarket chargers. It's a Type-C, but I don't know, it looks like a braided silver. It looks funny, honestly. I don't know what's up with that. Wow, you get headphones? What is this? Wow, you get headphones, guys. Check this out. You get headphones. It's pretty cool. Nice. We'll have to test that out and see how good it sounds. Everything's just so like mismatched and just, you know, not as organized as iPhones or Galaxies. But hey, you know, it's all cool. Bold like us, you sure are. So here we have the dongle, what they call it on the iPhones, you know. Basically no headphone jack, as we all know. SIM extractor tool. Wow. Cool little sticker. Look at that, man. I'm gonna put this on my car. Shoot, why not? Let it focus. There you go. Check that out. Nice little sticker. You do get a sticker. A dual SIM. So this phone does have a dual SIM. Your little quick guide as well. Whoa. 2 cases. Man, Blu, you are just amazing. For especially if you don't want to scratch up your nice looking phone. So you do get 2. I don't know, mine's kind of a little warped. I don't know if you can see there, but mine looks kind of warped right there, maybe from the heat. But you do get this amazing artwork in the back. I don't know why mine looks... Look at that. I don't know, mine's warped. It looks like it was crunched in there, so definitely got to check out for that quality control, Blue. That's a no-no. Like I said, this is not a Galaxy or an iPhone, so we're not going to compare it, but it does have a nice clear case. This is most likely what I'm going to be using is a clear case, but I don't know, I kind of like this case. Very cool that they do send you these both cases. And then inside, of course, you do get, wow, what is this? Wow, so you get a screen protector. Yeah, so you do get a screen protector. Looks like it's a tempered glass one, just in case you do decide to keep it. Screen protector, pretty cool. It does feel solid, so hopefully it doesn't come cracked. But let's get into the phone now. So let me put all this stuff back inside. Alright guys, so here's the moment of truth. Whoa. My God. Look at this thing. Excited for a phone like this. I mean, it reminds you definitely of an iPhone. The iPhone X, definitely, with the whole notch and everything. But let's get into it, guys. It is pretty thick. I don't know if you can see that. Definitely as thick as maybe an iPhone X. It's pretty freaking thick. It does have wireless charging, so that's pretty cool. So Vivo 11 Plus, 6.2-inch full all-screen design, MediaTek, and I'm definitely going to test this out with a gaming test, camera test. You guys already know I go through these tests pretty good. So 128 gigabyte internal storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM. Definitely want to try that out. 16 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel rear camera with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, wireless charging, and a 3D true face depth face ID. So pretty cool. Here's more in the back, the blue and everything. So we'll take some of that stuff out. Fingerprint sensor in the back, and then of course you have your dual cameras in the back as well. So pretty cool, guys, and a flash. Very nice. I'll let you kind of see that just for a little bit. So let's peel this off. Wow, that's pretty thick plastic right there. So wow, look at this phone, guys. It's black, so it's a little hard for the camera to focus, but you do have, it looks like your front-facing sensor, your earpiece, and what is this? Your proximity sensor, looks like. I don't even know. So on the bottom you do have, it looks like dual firing speakers. Hopefully they both work. I don't know. You know how these products go. It does have the Type-C charger. You do have your SIM tray here as well. So definitely just by the looks of it, guys, it definitely reminds you of an iPhone. Like I said, you do have your volume rockers on the top, so volume up, volume down, and then your power button. So let's go ahead and power this up and see what we get. But first, let me go ahead and pop a case on here just to kind of give it that nice look. So I'm gonna put this case on there first. Very nice. Ooh, so look at that. So there it is with the case. Everything looks perfectly fine. It definitely does a better job of focusing now that it has something to actually focus instead of just blackness. So let's go ahead and turn on. So as you can see, the little defective part here, I mean, it gets fixed because, I mean, it goes on there. So wow, look at that. The notch, of course, the notch. This is the first phone that I have that actually has a notch, so I'm excited. Ooh. So let's see how big it is versus a 9 Plus. This is the 9 Plus. So still the 9 Plus is a little bit bigger, but hey. Alright. Of course, I'll put in my SIM card. This is GSM unlocked, so you can use it with AT&T and T-Mobile here in the US. I do have Simple Mobile SIM card, so I will be popping it on there so I can see what the difference is. Alright guys, so here it is. It's finally done. So it says long press on empty spot, enter desktop settings. Wow. Change the mode, launcher. Long press on empty spot, search. Cool. Wow. This screen looks vibrant. Look at that. Like I said, this is my first notch phone ever, guys, so I'm very excited for it. First of all, just by looking at it, there's a couple things pre-installing. The app icons are huge. I mean, good God. I mean, it is 6.2-inch screen, but look at the icons. They're just so big. Compared to, like I said, like look at the icon size. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at the icons. Look how huge that Wish icon is. Good God. So it is installing all the apps. I didn't put my SIM card in just yet. So I will try it out with the speeds and all that stuff. But here we go, guys. Very nice first look at it. The colors are pretty vibrant. So let's see. Wow. So the brightness is maxed out. Right out the gate, I didn't even max anything out. So like I said, I'm still getting used to all this. What is this? What, the cloud? I don't want that. I don't know what that is. But let's get into it. So mobile data, of course, because the SIM card's not in there. You do have your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your flashlight. So pretty bright, actually pretty bright. Sound, vibrate, super screenshots. I don't know what that is, but we'll go more into that later on. Do not disturb, airplane mode, location on rotate, extreme mode. What is this? Extreme mode, the standby time can last about 352 hours. What? After using extreme mode, only essential apps and those selected by you can be... Okay, I guess it's like to save the battery. I thought it was like performance mode, alarm, camera, calculator, screen recorder. What? Screen recorder? Wow, that's the first time I see a phone having that, so it's pretty cool. But overall, like I said, look at these icons. Good God. So, of course, you scroll up, and you will see all the apps that come preloaded. So, nothing too bad with bloatware or anything like that. That's the first time I ever see a phone download Opera. I think the browser usually has Chrome or something, but first time I ever see that. I don't know, guys. I'll test it out. You know, I use my phone to watch a lot of videos and the camera. Definitely going to be doing tests on that, gaming performance and all that good stuff. So first glance, let's go into the settings. Cellular networks, SIM settings, W lane, Bluetooth, tethering, portable hotspot, more, display, navigation. What is it? Oh, here we go. So desktop settings, wallpapers. What is it? Desktop? So I guess desktop is the home screen. I'm guessing that's what they're referring to. Like I said, Blue. The one thing that Blue really sucks it on is that they never really update their things, like their software or do software updates. They said they promise that they're going to do it, so who knows. But overall, guys, I don't know, for 330 plus taxes that I got this phone for. Actually, I think it retails for like $350. Some people had it on sale for about $280, but now it went back up to $330. I believe I got this plus taxes. So not bad at all. Security apps, like I said, does have facial recognition. So wow. And I'll test out the wireless charging as well. About device, some features. So data clone, face ID, front camera bokeh. So wow. First time I ever see these settings. This is my first Blue phone. Wireless charging, new navigation mode, group selfie, main camera bokeh, notch screen gesture. Okay. So it's pretty cool. I don't mind the notch, really. I'm pretty sure you can disable the notch and everything. Probably like in display or something. But we'll get more into that later on, guys. So I'll go ahead and kind of play with the phone a little bit and do my review and everything. Rocking Android 8.1.0. So not bad at all, guys. I will be doing a lot of tests. So hopefully you like this. Dragonic Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, this is my first ever Blue phone, so that's pretty cool, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. So yeah.